High above the sky lived a tiny white cloud named Puffy. Puffy was the smallest cloud in the whole sky, soft, round, and always drifting alone. All the big clouds made rain together. All the dark clouds made thunder together. And all the long clouds made beautiful sunsets together. But Puffy had no one to play with. One day, a strong wind blew across the sky. Whoosh! Poor Puffy spun round and drifted far, far away from his home. He got lost. For the first time ever, Puffy was scared. He floated over oceans, rivers, forests, but nowhere felt like home. Rainbow emoji. Then something magical happened. Down on Earth, a little girl named Maya was sitting in a field. She loved looking at the clouds and making shapes from them. As Puffy drifted above, Maya gasped. "That cloud looks like a little bunny." "Hello, bunny cloud." Puffy looked down. No one had ever talked to him before. He felt warm inside. Maya waved happily and said, "Don't be sad, little cloud. You can be my friend." For the first time ever, Puffy felt like he belonged somewhere. Sunny with clouds and showers emoji, the gift of friendship. Seeing Maya so kind made Puffy's heart glow. He tried something he had never done before. He gathered all his tiny courage and gently squeezed himself. And a soft, beautiful rainbow appeared. Maya jumped up laughing. "You made a rainbow for me. You are the best cloud ever." Puffy felt big, bright, and brave. He was no longer just a lost cloud. He was someone's friend. Glowing star emoji. Moral: even the smallest kindness can create the brightest colors.